Everybody, and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily draw on Google Maps. At first we have to enter our favorite browser, and here we have to now search for the My Maps Google.com. mymaps.google.com and search. As you can see now, we are here, and no maps are owned by you. We have to add something from our Google Drive, create, now allow while visiting the site, and here now we have our location. We can do almost everything, draw pins here, and now we can, as you can see, name this point. Here we have measurements. Here we have the legend. Here we can go back with our things. We can move around, add driving route, add cycling route, add walking route, underline or shape. Do everything that you just want to do so. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.